In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compress video on CapCut PC without losing quality. Whether you're finalizing an important project, creating content for social media, or simply sharing a video with friends, striking the perfect balance between file size and quality is essential. CapCut, a powerful and user-friendly video editing tool, makes this process straightforward. By tweaking a few key export settings, you can ensure your videos look sharp while being efficient to store and share. If you don't already have a CapCut account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start editing today. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process. Once you've finished editing your video, the first thing you'll want to do is locate the Export button. You'll find it at the top corner of the CapCut window. Go ahead and click on that button to begin the exporting process. This action will open up the Export Settings panel, where you can customize how your video will be compressed and saved. Now that the Export Settings panel is open, the first adjustment to make is to the resolution setting. Here, you can choose the quality level of your video. If your project doesn't require the highest resolution, select 1080p. This is a great option because it significantly reduces the file size while still maintaining excellent visual quality for most viewers. It's ideal for platforms like YouTube or social media, where 1080p is often more than enough. Next, configure the bitrate setting, which controls how much data is used per second of video. To keep things simple and balanced, select the recommended option. This strikes a great balance between keeping the file size manageable and ensuring your video still looks fantastic. However, if your footage is highly detailed or you need the absolute best visual clarity, for example, if your video features intricate textures or fast-moving scenes, you can choose the higher option. Just keep in mind that a higher bitrate will result in a larger file size, so it's best to use this only when necessary. Let's move on to the video codec. This setting determines how your video is compressed and how compatible it will be with different devices. Be sure to select H.264. This codec is widely recognized as the standard for video compression because it offers excellent efficiency and compatibility across virtually all devices and platforms. Whether you're uploading to a website, sharing on social media, or playing your video on various devices, the H.264 codec ensures smooth playback and reliable performance. Next up is the frame rate setting. For most projects, 30 FPS or frames per second is the way to go. It's the standard frame rate for most online content and provides smooth motion while keeping the file size under control. However, if your footage was filmed at a higher frame rate for slow motion effects or cinematic purposes, you may want to keep the original frame rate intact. This will preserve the intended visual style of your video, though it might result in a slightly larger file size. Now, there's an option to enable fast exporting, which you'll find under the quality settings. If you're in a hurry or need to quickly share a draft of your video, toggle this option on. It speeds up the exporting process while still applying solid compression settings. However, for your final export, you might want to compare the results with a regular export to ensure you're getting the best quality possible. Once you've configured all these settings to your liking, it's time to start the export process. Simply click the export button again, and CapCut will begin compressing and saving your video. At this stage, it's important to be patient. The time it takes to complete the export will depend on the length and complexity of your video, as well as the performance of your computer. Make sure not to interrupt the process. Let your computer finish processing. And there you have it. By carefully adjusting the resolution, bitrate, codec, and frame rate, you can effectively compress your video on CapCut PC without sacrificing quality. So now you know exactly how to optimize your export settings to create high-quality videos that are both visually stunning and easy to share. If you have any questions or tips of your own, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.